Understanding tank drain valve, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll uncover the meaning and usage of the phrase, tank drain valve. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about technical terms, this video will help you understand this phrase in both a practical and linguistic context. Tank drain valve is a compound noun, meaning it's made up of multiple words that create a single idea or concept. Let's break it down. Tank. This word typically refers to a large container for holding liquids or gases. Tanks can vary in size and are used in many contexts, from residential water storage to industrial chemical processes. Drain, as a verb. Drain means to remove liquid from an area or container, usually by allowing it to flow away. As a noun, it refers to a system or device used for this purpose. Valve. This is a device that controls the flow of a liquid or gas. Valves can start, stop, or regulate the flow within pipes or tanks. Now that we know what each word means, let's understand the function of a tank drain valve. This valve is a crucial component in systems where tanks hold liquids or gases. The primary functions include controlling the release of the tank's contents, ensuring it's done safely and efficiently, preventing leaks or spills by securely closing when not in use, allowing for maintenance or cleaning of the tank by completely draining its contents when needed. In real-life scenarios, you might find a tank drain valve in household items like a water heater or a fuel tank in your car. Industrial settings where large tanks hold chemicals, oil, or water for various processes. Agricultural equipment where tanks might be used for irrigation or storing pesticides. Understanding how and where this term is used can help you grasp its importance and functionality in everyday life and specific industries. That's all for our exploration of the term, tank drain valve. Remember, this phrase is more than just a combination of words. It represents an essential component in many systems that involve the storage and management of fluids. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey to learn English or understand technical terms better. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.